So we got awesome news today. BBS Motorsport, we ordered some lips and barrels and some other parts for a set of wheels that I have. I was intending on putting these on the Corrado, but I received a crazy offer for the Corrado about a week and a half ago, and I think I might sell it. So that being the case, the guy wants the Sebring splits that are on the car, and I decided I'm gonna build another set of wheels that I was gonna put on the car, put the Sebring splits on the Rallye. Now we'll put these wheels on the Rallye, and I'm building them a little bit different than what the original plan was. So let me give you a little scope of what we got. So we have BBS E50s. These are on a 15-inch barrel and lip. So we're getting rid of the 15-inch. We're stepping up to a 17-inch. They already have been kind of, pulled apart. There's only a couple Allen bolts holding them together. We ordered all original, correct parts for these, and BBS Motorsport came through super solid. I ordered this stuff. Let's see here. Maybe about, I don't know, 4 days ago, and it showed up already. So super stoked. I got my helper here. She's gonna help me put these together. So what we're doing is we're just gonna temporarily put them together. This isn't gonna be permanent because I want to see how they look on the car, and then from there I want to decide what color we're gonna do. And I was also thinking maybe doing a brushed lip on these. So if we decide to do that, we're gonna have to pull them back apart anyways, but we're just gonna temporarily put them together, see how they fit and look on the car, and then go from there. These are a 0 lip, and then we did a bunch of 0 lips in here. So the barrels will be all the way at the bottom. Audrey, hold that for me, please. We got 4 lips, and then got our gaskets, hardware. I guess in Germany they call the gaskets the Dichtring. It's kind of interesting. I don't know what the translation there is, but in America that wouldn't sound right. Should have told Audrey to cover her ears before I said that. I don't think she knows what I'm talking about, so we're good there. Whoo-wee! Gonna be sick. So we're gonna start bolting these up and see how they look with the silver faces, and then I will have the car back tomorrow. It's been at my buddy's shop getting timing belt and water pump and a bunch of other stuff done to it, and so when we get it back tomorrow, hopefully we will have all these done and we can mock them up on the car and call it good. So wish us luck. Here we go. So we just finished up building one. It's only like 110 degrees out here because the sun's shining on this side of the house and the garage is on this side of the house, so it's pretty dang hot. But this is what it ended up turning out to look like. I've got these center caps that came with my E52 knockoffs, as people would say. They're custom built E52 cast centers, 5x100, and I know a lot of companies now are making something similar or making billet ones, but this is the look I was going for when I set out to build these wheels. Gotta love that. Gorgeous looking wheel right there. So these are gonna be freaking awesome on the Rallye. Who knows, maybe I'll buy some adapters and try running these on the truck and put the E52s on the Rallye for a little bit. But I love these wheels. I've always wanted some. A buddy of mine came across them on a local classifieds page, sent it out to a group of us, and I was driving in the middle of nowhere in Idaho, and knowing my group of friends, you know, a deal like this just doesn't come along ever, especially on 4x100 E50s. So one of my friends jumped on them, and then I got back and I begged and begged and begged him to sell them to me. He finally sold them to me. He made some, you know, he made some good money off them, but now I think he's really regretting he sold them to me. But they're going on an awesome car, and I'm so happy that he sold them to me, and I really appreciate it. But these are gonna be sick. Voice in, give me your thoughts on color for the centers, and if I should do the lips brushed, polish a little bit more, or just leave them be. Thanks.